Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of the leading AI image generation platforms available today. In this video, we'll explore the key features, pricing, and unique selling points of several top contenders in this rapidly evolving field. Whether you're a professional designer, content creator, or just curious about AI-generated art, this guide will help you navigate the landscape of AI image tools. Let's begin with an overview of AI image generation technology. These platforms use advanced machine learning algorithms to create original images based on text descriptions or prompts. By training on vast datasets of images and text, they can interpret natural language and produce corresponding visuals. This technology has advanced dramatically in recent years, with the latest models capable of generating stunningly realistic and creative images. Now, let's dive into our comparison of the top AI image generation platforms. Google ImageFX. Google has entered the AI image generation space with ImageFX, powered by their Imagen 2 model. Currently available in select countries, ImageFX offers some compelling features. Photorealistic image generation, expressive chips for easy prompt editing, seed control for fine-tuning results, SynthID digital watermarking for provenance, improved prompt adherence with Imagen 3, enhanced detail and texture rendering, integration with Google Gemini chatbot. Pricing and availability. ImageFX is currently free to use, with optional in-app purchases for additional features. It's available in the US, Kenya, New Zealand, and Australia, but not yet in Europe or the UK. The platform is limited to English language prompts for now. Notable advancements. Google has made significant strides with ImageFX, particularly in photorealism and prompt understanding. The integration of SynthID watermarking helps address concerns about AI-generated image detection and attribution. Midjourney. Midjourney has quickly become one of the most popular AI image generators, known for its artistic flair and active community. Key features: high-quality, detailed image generation, variety of artistic styles, active Discord community for collaboration, ability to render legible text within images, enhanced language model for intuitive prompting. Pricing. Midjourney offers 4 subscription tiers: Basic, 10-month or 96 a year with 3.3 hours of generation time; Standard, 30-month or 288 year with 15 hours of generation time; Pro, 60-month or 576 year with 30 hours and additional features; Mega, 120-month or 152 year with 60 hours and top priority. Availability. Midjourney is accessed through Discord with a waiting list for new users. Notable advancements. Recent updates have significantly improved Midjourney's ability to generate realistic images and understand complex prompts. The platform has also enhanced its text rendering capabilities, making it a strong choice for designs incorporating typography. DALL-E 3. OpenAI's latest iteration of DALL-E has set new standards for AI image generation, particularly in its integration with language models. Key features: highly accurate prompt interpretation, integration with ChatGPT for conversational image generation, improved nuance and detail understanding, enhanced safety measures to limit harmful content, ability to decline requests in the style of living artists. Pricing and availability. DALL-E 3 is available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers for $20 per month. Individual image generation costs $4 for standard quality and $8 more for HD quality. API access is available with tiered pricing based on usage. Notable advancements. The integration with ChatGPT allows for a more intuitive, conversation-based approach to image generation. DALL-E 3 has also made significant improvements in understanding and executing complex prompts with multiple elements. Adobe Firefly. Adobe's entry into the AI image generation market leverages their vast stock image library and integrates seamlessly with Creative Cloud applications. Key features: integration with Adobe Creative Cloud apps, text-to-image and image-to-image generation, video generation capabilities, commercially safe usage rights, support for over 100 languages. Pricing and availability. Firefly is included in Creative Cloud plans, with a limited free tier offering 25 images per month. Full Creative Cloud subscribers get 1,000 images per month. Additional credits are available for purchase. Notable advancements. Adobe has expanded Firefly to include video generation capabilities and has significantly improved generation speed. The platform's integration with creative cloud apps like Photoshop and Illustrator makes it a powerful tool for professionals already in the Adobe ecosystem. Stable Diffusion Stability. AI's open-source Stable Diffusion model has become a cornerstone of many AI image generation tools and services. Key features. Open-source nature allows for customization and integration. High-quality image generation. Support for text-to-image, image-to-image, and in-painting. Ability to run locally on powerful GPUs. Pricing. Stable Diffusion itself is free and open source. Various platforms offer Stable Diffusion-based services with different pricing models. For example, Stability AI's Dream Studio charges 1 per credit, with 1,000 credits costing $10. Availability. As an open-source model, Stable Diffusion can be run locally or accessed through various web interfaces and APIs. Notable advancements. The latest version, Stable Diffusion 3, introduces a new multimodal diffusion transformer architecture, improving prompt adherence and enabling multimodal input capabilities. Ideogram. Ideogram is a newer entrant in the AI image generation field, quickly gaining attention for its text rendering capabilities. Key features: excellent text-in-image generation, multiple style options, realistic design 3D anime, customizable color palette, advanced prompting with Describe and Magic Prompt features, iOS app available. Pricing. Ideogram offers a free tier with 10 credits per day, as well as paid plans. Basic, $8 month for 400 credits, plus $20 month for 1,000 credits. Pro, $48 month for 3,000 credits. Availability. Ideogram is freely available through their website and iOS app. Notable advancements. Ideogram 2.0 has made significant improvements in image prompt alignment and photorealism. The platform's strength in rendering text within images sets it apart for design tasks requiring typography. Microsoft Designer, formerly Bing Image Creator. Microsoft's AI image generation tool is deeply integrated with their ecosystem of productivity tools. Key features: integration with Microsoft 365 apps, DALL-E 3-powered image generation, AI-assisted design templates, media provenance capabilities. Pricing. Microsoft Designer is free to use with 15 daily boosts for image generation. Additional boosts are available through Microsoft Copilot Pro, $20 a month, or various Microsoft 365 plans. Availability. Accessible through the Microsoft Designer website, Copilot, and the Microsoft Edge sidebar. Notable advancements. Microsoft has leveraged DALL-E 3 technology and integrated it seamlessly with their productivity suite, making it a powerful tool for quick design tasks within the Microsoft ecosystem. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI has quickly established itself as a powerful contender in the AI image generation market. Key features: high-quality image generation, custom model training capabilities, API access for developers, support for various image styles and techniques. Pricing. Leonardo AI offers several plans. Free, 150 images day. Apprentice, $10 month for 8,500 images. Artisan, $24 month for 25,000 images. Maestro, $48 month for 60,000 images. API plans are also available for developers. Availability. Leonardo AI is accessible through their web platform and API. Notable advancements. The platform has generated over 700 million images in less than a year and introduced the Phoenix model, known for its exceptional prompt adherence and text-in-image capabilities. Flux Pro. Flux Pro, developed by Black Forest Labs, is known for its speed and accuracy in image generation. Key features: rapid image generation, 3x faster than previous version, high ELO score for visual fidelity and prompt accuracy, support for ultra-high resolution images up to 2K, integration with various AI platforms. Pricing. Flux Pro offers several plans. Free, 5 credits per day. Starter, $5 for 100 credits. Premium, $15 for 300 credits. Advanced, $250 year for 5,000 credits. Availability. Flux Pro is available via API through partners like Together.ai, Replicate, and Fal.ai. Notable advancements. Flux Pro has made significant improvements in generation speed and image quality, making it a strong choice for applications requiring rapid iteration. Now let's look at some emerging and specialized platforms that are worth keeping an eye on. Night Cafe. Night Cafe offers a user-friendly interface for AI art creation, popular among hobbyists and artists. Key features: multiple AI art styles, batch creation feature, community sharing, and NFT support. Pricing. Night Cafe offers several subscription tiers, ranging from $49 to $39.99 per month, with varying credit allowances. Dream Studio Stability AI's official interface for Stable Diffusion offers a straightforward way to access this powerful model. Key features: direct access to Stable Diffusion model, web-based interface, in-painting and out-painting capabilities. Pricing: Dream Studio uses a pay-per-use model with approximately $1.18 for every 100 generation credits. Generative AI by Getty. Getty Images. Entry into AI generation promises commercially safe images for professional use. Key features: trained exclusively on licensed Getty Images content. Fast generation, 4 images in 6 seconds, 4K resolution support, commercial indemnification. Pricing: specific pricing has not been disclosed, but it's expected to be based on prompt volume. Canva Magic Design AI. Canva's AI tools are integrated into their popular design platform, offering an all-in-one solution for creators. Key features: AI-generated design templates, integration with Canva's extensive asset library, text-to-image generation within designs. Pricing: Canva Magic Design AI is included in Canva Pro plans, starting at £99.99 per year. Meta AI. Meta's AI offerings span across their family of apps and services, including image generation capabilities. Key features: integration with Meta's social platforms, multilingual support, AR and VR applications. Pricing: Meta AI is currently free to use, with potential paid tiers for advanced features in the future. Crayon, formerly DALL-E Mini. Crayon offers a free, accessible entry point to AI image generation. Key features: web-based interface, no sign-up required, rapid image generation. Pricing: Crayon offers a free tier and paid plans starting at $5 per month for enhanced features. Now, let's compare these platforms across several key factors. Pricing comparison. Free options. Several platforms offer free tiers, including Google ImageFX, Crayon, and limited versions of Stable Diffusion implementations. Subscription-based models. Midjourney, DALL-E 3 via ChatGPT+, Adobe Firefly via Creative Cloud, and Night Cafe offer monthly or annual subscriptions. Pay-per-use models. Dream Studio and some Stable Diffusion services use credit-based systems where users pay for generation credits. Enterprise solutions. Many platforms, including DALL-E 3, Adobe Firefly, and Generative AI by Getty, offer custom enterprise plans for large-scale use. Feature comparison. Image quality and resolution. DALL-E 3, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are known for high-quality outputs. Platforms like Flux Pro and Leonardo AI offer ultra-high resolution options. Text-to-image accuracy. Flux Pro and Ideogram excel in accurately interpreting complex prompts. Editing capabilities. Adobe Firefly leverages Adobe's expertise in image editing, while platforms like Stable Diffusion offer in-painting and out-painting features. Integration with other tools. Adobe Firefly integrates with Creative Cloud, Microsoft Designer with Office apps, and DALL-E 3 with ChatGPT. Commercial usage rights. Adobe Firefly and Generative AI by Getty offer clear commercial usage rights, which is crucial for professional applications. Use cases and solutions. Personal projects. Platforms like Crayon, Night Cafe, and the free tiers of various services are great for hobbyists and personal use. Professional design. Adobe Firefly, DALL-E 3, and Midjourney are popular among professional designers for their quality and feature sets. Marketing and advertising. Generative AI by Getty and Canva. Magic Design AI caters specifically to marketing needs with their focus on commercial usage and integrated design tools. Content creation. Midjourney and Stable Diffusion have strong communities of content creators leveraging these tools for various projects. Industry-specific applications. Leonardo AI and Flux Pro offer API access, allowing for integration into specialized industry workflows. Accessibility and user experience. Web-based versus app-based. Most platforms offer web interfaces, with some like Adobe Firefly and Microsoft Designer also integrating into desktop applications. Learning curve. Platforms like Crayon and Canva, Magic Design AI prioritize ease of use, while others like Stable Diffusion may require more technical knowledge. Community support. Midjourney has a particularly active Discord community, while open-source projects like Stable Diffusion benefit from extensive developer communities. As we look to the future of AI image generation, several trends and developments are worth noting. Upcoming features. We can expect continued improvements in image quality, generation speed, and prompt understanding across all platforms. Ethical considerations. issues of copyright, artist attribution, and the potential impact on creative industries remain hot topics of debate. Potential impact on creative industries. As these tools become more sophisticated, they're likely to reshape workflows in design, marketing, and content creation. In conclusion, the field of AI image generation is rapidly evolving, with each platform offering unique strengths. DALL-E 3 excels in prompt understanding and integration with language models. Midjourney is known for its artistic flair and active community. Adobe Firefly leverages Adobe's design expertise and stock library. Stable Diffusion's open-source nature allows for extensive customization. Newer platforms like Ideogram and Leonardo AI are pushing boundaries in specific areas like text rendering and custom model training. When choosing a platform, consider your specific needs. For professional design work, look at Adobe Firefly or DALL-E 3. For artistic exploration, Midjourney or Stable Diffusion might be ideal. For marketing and commercial use, Generative AI by Getty or Canva, Magic Design AI offer tailored solutions. For developers and researchers, platforms with robust APIs like Leonardo AI or Flux Pro provide powerful integration options. As these technologies continue to advance, we can expect even more impressive capabilities and applications in the future. Whether you're a professional designer, a hobbyist artist, or simply curious about AI's creative potential, there's never been a more exciting time to explore the world of AI image generation. Thank you for watching this comprehensive comparison of AI image generation platforms. We hope this guide helps you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.